Have you ever walked into your home and instantly felt a wave of overwhelm wash over you? Like the clutter, the mess, and the disarray are louder than your own thoughts, whispering, "You'll never get this under control." What if I told you there's a simple, gentle, and life-changing method that can transform not just your space, but your mind, your energy, and your sense of calm in less than 30 minutes a day? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the 888 cleaning method can give you back your time, your clarity, and your home. A method that doesn't overwhelm, doesn't require hours of scrubbing, and actually sticks. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated by messy spaces, inconsistent routines, or the sense that no matter how much I clean, it never lasts, this video is for you. The 888 cleaning method is beautifully simple. 8 minutes of tidying to reset the visible mess and instantly reclaim control. 8 minutes of cleaning to refresh essential surfaces and feel your home breathe again. 8 minutes of resetting to prepare for tomorrow so mornings are smooth and stress-free. That's it. Just 24 intentional minutes. A small, manageable slice of time that can shift your entire day and gradually create the organized, peaceful home you've always dreamed of. No more all-day cleaning marathons. No more frustration. No more clutter taking over your mind. Today, we're going to break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have a practical, achievable system to keep your home clean, calm, and truly yours. 1. 8 minutes of tidying. Reset the visible mess. Before you touch a sponge or a vacuum, before you spray a single surface, start with what your eyes notice first: visual clutter. This is the silent chaos that drains your energy the moment you walk in the door. Clothes draped over chairs like mountains, mugs and dishes left where last used, scattered papers or mail forming little islands on your tables, toys strewn across the floor like a tiny city of disorder. For the first 8 minutes, move with intention. This is not deep cleaning. It's a deliberate act of control and clarity. Set your timer and commit to restoring order, one visible item at a time. Imagine each item you put away as a tiny victory, a message to your mind that the space is under control. Start with the most obvious offenders, the chair turned into a laundry pile. Pick up each piece of clothing and return it to its home: the wardrobe, the laundry basket, the dresser. Then scan the kitchen or living areas. Gather mugs, plates, and glasses scattered across surfaces, returning them to the sink or dishwasher. Fold blankets, fluff pillows, straighten cushions. Make every surface invite you to relax rather than overwhelm you. Next, tackle flat surfaces: the coffee table, bedside tables, kitchen counters. Clear them completely if possible. When you remove this visual noise, your brain can finally exhale. A tidy surface tells your subconscious, this is a safe, controlled, livable space. I can focus here. I can breathe here. By the end of just 8 minutes, something remarkable happens. Your home doesn't just look tidier. It feels lighter, calmer, more manageable. It's as if you've hit a reset button on your environment, creating instant mental clarity. This is the first step in turning your home from a source of stress into a sanctuary. Even this simple act, putting everything in its place, is transformational. It signals to your brain that order is possible, one small, consistent effort at a time. And with that, you're ready to move to the next stage, refreshing and deepening that sense of calm with cleaning. 2. 8 minutes of cleaning. Refresh the essentials. Now that your home looks orderly, it's time to make it feel fresh. Tidying removes the chaos your eyes see. Cleaning removes the invisible mess that steals comfort and peace of mind. This is where the second set of 8 minutes comes in, a rapid, high-impact session designed to refresh your space and elevate your energy. Start with the areas you touch the most, surfaces that collect germs, fingerprints, and tiny dust particles without you even noticing. Wipe down your kitchen counters, where meal prep leaves invisible traces. Scrub your bathroom sink and faucet handles, where water spots and soap scum quietly accumulate. Don't forget door handles, dining tables, and the stove top. These small gestures instantly create a sense of hygiene and order. Next, turn your attention to the spaces that often get overlooked, but make a huge difference when cared for. Vacuum high-traffic areas, like the living room or hallway, to remove dust and crumbs that have silently gathered. Wipe mirrors and glass surfaces until they sparkle, reflecting light and clarity throughout your space. Sweep the entryway, where dirt and leaves creep in every day, and tidy any small corners or shelves that have quietly collected dust and clutter. Remember, this is not about perfection. You are not deep cleaning for hours. You are aiming for progress, not perfection. Each swipe, each sweep, each wipe is a small victory, a tangible signal to your brain that your home is cared for, maintained, and intentional. By the end of these 8 minutes, your home begins to feel lighter, fresher, and more energizing. The air feels cleaner, surfaces shine, and the space seems to invite you to relax, breathe, and enjoy. Cleaning in this deliberate, focused way reinforces control over your environment. Every small, intentional action telling your mind, I am taking care of my home. I am taking care of myself. 3. 8 minutes of resetting. Prepare for tomorrow you. This is the final, magical phase, the moment where your home becomes more than just clean or tidy. Resetting is about preparing your space and your life for tomorrow, so that you wake up not to chaos, but to calm, clarity, and ease. It's a gift from today's self to tomorrow's self, a small act with enormous impact. Begin with the morning essentials. Lay out your clothes for the next day, from socks to accessories, so that when the alarm rings, decision fatigue doesn't steal your energy. If you have children, pack their school bags or set aside their uniforms, lunches, and supplies. The morning rush suddenly becomes smoother, quieter, almost effortless. Move to the kitchen. Clear the sink of dishes, place them in the dishwasher or drying rack, and wipe down any remaining crumbs. Prepare your cleaning cloths, sprays, or tools for tomorrow's micro-tasks, so that your next tidy or clean session starts with ease, not frustration. Switch laundry to the dryer, fold or hang what's ready, and empty the trash, leaving nothing lingering to weigh on your mind. These 8 minutes are deceptively powerful. Each small, deliberate action removes friction and prevents minor annoyances from snowballing into stress. Tomorrow, your home isn't just clean. It's ready for life to happen. A calm stage set for productivity, relaxation, and joy. When combined with the first 2 steps, tidying and cleaning, this resetting phase transforms your home from a source of anxiety into a sanctuary of clarity and calm. It's no longer just a living space. It's a supportive environment that actively nurtures your energy, your focus, and your peace of mind. Think of it this way. These 8 minutes turn a messy, reactive morning into a calm, intentional start, where everything you need is at your fingertips and every corner of your home whispers, you are in control. You are ready. Why the 888 method works. The truth is, most people fail at keeping their homes organized not because they don't care, but because they try to do too much at once. One day they aim to clean the entire house from top to bottom, and the next, they're overwhelmed, frustrated, and back to square one. The 888 method removes that pressure. It replaces exhaustion and procrastination with consistent, manageable microactions that add up to big results over time. Instead of asking the daunting question, how do I clean my whole house? You ask a simpler, more achievable one. What can I do in the next 8 minutes? And when you answer that question consistently, magic happens. This method reduces overwhelm because you no longer try to do everything at once. Creates momentum. Each small task completed builds confidence and energy. Builds effortless habits. Your home slowly becomes clean without forcing yourself into long, stressful sessions. Keeps your home consistently clean. The clutter never has a chance to pile up. Fits into any lifestyle, whether you're a busy parent, student, full-time worker, or someone juggling multiple responsibilities. 8 minutes is always achievable. This is not about cleaning all day or achieving perfection. It's about giving yourself structure without stress. It's about reclaiming control, one small action at a time, and letting your environment support you instead of drain you. If you've been struggling to keep your home tidy, if clutter has stolen your peace, if you want a simple routine that finally sticks, start today with just 8 minutes at a time. Because when you take small, consistent steps, something incredible happens. Your home becomes lighter. Your mind becomes clearer. Your life becomes easier. Cleaning isn't just a chore. It's a way to create space for calm, clarity, and focus. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little cleaning motivation today. And remember, a peaceful home, a clear mind, and a calmer life are built one small habit at a time. Start with 8 minutes today.